It's that time of the week to go on a shopping spree. Boy, oh boy, I'm about to have a good old time right on that man's dime. So let's go spend my child support check from my rich baby daddy. Y'all, this week he was feeling real generous and gave me $85.53. So as you can see, I went into Ross and I saw these cute little slippers for myself. They were about $8.99. I also ended up finding these cute dupe Uggs version, y'all, which I thought was so cute, for $14.99. They are not the real Uggs, but they're a dupe version. I was like, oh, I gotta get it. Then I went ahead and I was like, hey, let me go ahead and get my son a few outfits, since guess what, mommy ain't paying for it. Period. I was like, let's go ahead and get you about 3, 4, or 5 outfits. So I really liked it, this Buzz Lightyear, and I loved how it had stuff on the front and the back. I thought it was so cute. I just had to get it. I love Toy Story. Zayden's first birthday, I did a Toy Story theme, so I was like, yeah, that's a must. I was thinking about getting him that olive and red champion set, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get it because it's short. And right now it's currently cold in Houston. I don't know, Houston got some weird ass weather. But y'all, I was thinking about getting him the Spider-Man one, but I was like, nah, I thought it was really ugly. But when I saw this Bluey, I already knew it had to go in the cart. He can wear this for when it get hot. Like, my baby loves Bluey, and I knew if he would have saw this, he would have had a whole fit if I did not put that in the cart. Now, I did go ahead and get him this Spider-Man Man-Bull set. I love the fact how it's like a jumpsuit. My child do not like jeans. Comment down below, do your child like wearing jeans? Because my child hate wearing jeans. And I did go ahead and get him this car 2 set. It's like 2 sets in one, which was only $14.99. So I feel like that was a good deal. So I had to go ahead and grab that. Now, I am that baby mama who do spend some of her child support check on herself. However, I always make sure I buy my child whatever he wants. Period. Because a lot of y'all got it misconstrued that, hey, this little bitty child support check, like, I could really live off of this. The amount of money that I make off of social media and nursing alone, baby, I take care of me and my son by myself. Period. This right here is play money for me. Okay, so I got a lot of people in my comments talking about, oh, you just spend a child support check on yourself, and you would too. So after finishing up with my shopping spree, I ended up spending $57.31 of my child support check. Then I went ahead and took my bougie child to Chick-fil-A because he's very expensive. Do y'all know that my child loves Chick-fil-A, and he loves Chick-fil-A mac and cheese? He does not want mac and cheese from nowhere else but from Chick-fil-A. And you know how much Chick-fil-A mac and cheese cost? Almost $5, baby. Not for no little pint, but for the big pint, because this boy will throw it down. He will eat me out of the house. So yes, I enjoyed spending my child support check, baby, because it truly helped. But if y'all enjoy content like this, follow for more.